Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Akarsh Seggemu. So today we are going to unbox the product from technoline WL1025. It is a CO2 monitor that helps you ventilate your room and breathe fresh air, and also to control CO2 levels. So this product I have purchased today. So the product has a Swiss precision sensor. So this is a gas sensor that helps in measuring CO2 up to 5000 RPM, and it also shows time and indoor temperature and humidity. It has a CO2 alarm. So according to the ppm levels, it will also show you how is the CO2 levels and the air quality. So there are different colors described in the box that you can see. Poor is when it is below 2000 ppm, and it's also, and it shows a flash alarm for it. It only indicates poor when it is 1501 to 2000 ppm, and I think here about 2000 ppm. So it is medium when it is from 1001 to 1500 ppm. Other one is 601 to 1000 ppm is a good, and excellent is when it is 400 to 600 ppm. So why this kind of monitor is needed? Because we are living very indoors, and time to time we need to ventilate our rooms. So it is now winter time in Germany, and in cold countries we usually close our windows and we turn on the heating systems in order to have the room at a certain temperature. So I bought this device after hearing from different people that ventilating your room properly help you stay productive, also will reduce any breathing kind of uneasiness that you're experiencing. So let's do the unboxing. So you get a USB cable that you need to find a USB AC adapter, and this one is for the device. So this is the device. This is the manual. So that's all you get from the CO2 monitor box. This product is from technoline. It is a company in Wildau, outside of Berlin. So this is the product, technoline. So you can't. The problem with CO2 monitors that I've seen, it requires continuous supply because it has a gas sensor here, and it takes a huge amount of electricity. So how do you plug in? That I understood from the display, and so this end will go behind. So it is a DC 5 volt, that means direct current 5 volts. So you insert this here, and this is for turning on, which is a slider, and then you need to set it. So I think it has some kind of battery. So here you can see the default display, and you have a instruction manual. I think they have in several different languages. So basically it starts with German because we are in Germany, and I guess they also have English manual that shows you different levels, and that is also from the box that you can see what are the different displays mean. Right now you can see the CO2 level is 19, 16, but I think it works properly when it is plugged inside. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Bye.